to include some information like I mentioned, so it's required to include the product name, the quantity statement, so how much is in that package, and also the product identity. Okay? And then there are a number of optional things that can be included, so the brand name, statement of nutritional adequacy for life stages, so if it's specifically for geriatric animals, for kittens or puppies, so young life stages, adults, or older animals. And then they can put all sorts of claims, they'll put all sorts of things on here about how it's new and improved and better and you get extra and all that sort of stuff. And then images, so those are kind of the optional things. So right now you see a bag of dog food or food on the screen. So what sort of labels do you see on this bag? You guys see all the, yeah, so you can see that this bag meets all of the required, and then in addition has a lot of these optional, all this optional information on here, and optional information on here as well. So for the required information, we see the product name. So this is actually the product name here, Healthy Vitality with chicken and rice. Down here is the weight, so 6 kilograms. What else does it mention? We know that it's for a dog, so it indicates that it's for a dog. It also has brand name information. This one, very well. This one doesn't necessarily say what life stage it's for. It doesn't say, puppy or adult or anything like that. It does have a number of claims on here, so down at the bottom it says good, honest food, with high quality meat proteins, it says 100% extra, so all these sorts of claims about how awesome this food is. And then there's images, so lots of bright and happy. These are all selling points, so the required information is there so that you know what you're buying. The optional information is there so that these companies can sell their product. So it's marketing. It's very bright and pretty, but all looks happy. So you want to buy this? So there are some naming rules when it comes to what you name the product. So the last one, the pedigree bag we just looked at, was called Healthy Vitality with chicken and rice. So you'll note that it says with chicken and rice. If you look at the with rule, the with requires that there's at least 3% of that item in the diet. Okay, so there must be 3% chicken and 3% rice in the pedigree diet that we just looked at in order for it to claim that it's with chicken and rice. The other naming rules, it does get a little bit confusing, so I don't expect you guys to memorize these or be able to recite them or anything, but just so you know, if it's 100% of something, so if the diet claim does 100% chicken, that means it's one ingredient, but it can also include water, dyes, preservatives, and condiments. So it could be 100% chicken, but it could have water, they could have dyed it, so it could be brown, pink, or whatever color they want to make it. It can have preservatives, so I don't think anybody wants to buy a bag of chicken.
Say bye-bye.
That's preserved in some way.